Hey you guys, so today I am sharing with you some clothing hacks, mainly with tops, actually only with tops. So these are things I've just discovered from running an Instagram where we post a lot about fashion. So if you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. My sister and I post a video every week, something about beauty or retail, and we love it. We also run an Instagram called Beauty Budget Moms, right here. And we post a ton more content there. It's a lot of fun to see like into our lives. I don't know, I mean, it's pretty chaotic, but follow us there as well. I'm gonna get right into it. These are some tricks that you probably didn't know. Let's go. Hack number one is just with an oversized tee. So I love this white tee, but it's a little big. Wish there was something I could do with it just to make it a little bit more fitted. So here's the trick. Instead of tying a shirt like this and tying it in a knot or like trying to flip it over and tie it in a knot into itself, which usually comes out, what you're gonna wanna do is reach one hand over, reach the other hand over, and then cross your hands, pulling the shirt in front of you. So again, that's hands over, cross. Then you're going to twist and twist, and you're going to put the tail on the bottom underneath, and the tail at the top is going to cover the entire front knot. So now I have this super cute knot up front. It's nice and fitted, but still flattering. And also it doesn't have like that little floppy thing, you know, that hangs out when you try to tie it in a knot, if you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, super cute, very flattering, easy to do. Rewind and slow it down if you need to. But this is one of my favorite hacks. The easiest type of shirts to do this trick with are shirts that have somewhat of a stretch, somewhat of a pull. Typical shirts are a little harder unless they're really oversized. So I would suggest somewhat of a stretchy material will work the best. That's hack number one. Hack number two is another knot, but this one is done a little differently. So what you're gonna do is you're going to pull from under your shirt fabric. So I'm just gathering fabric from under my shirt, and I'm gonna pull that fabric out like this, and I'm gonna come from above here too so you can see it. And then I'm just going to grab an elastic and just tie that 2 times, 3 times, however many you need, and then flip it back over. And this creates a sort of cinching at the front that is super cute, very flattering, especially if you maybe are a little self-conscious of like your stomach or anything like that. This is a really flattering way to wear just an oversized tee a little differently. So super cute. I love wearing shirts this way. It's probably my favorite knot to do, especially because it's hidden, which is nice. So that's hack number two. Hack number three is with a cardigan. So you know the traditional way of wearing a cardigan, of course. Super cute. So this is best to do with a long cardigan. This is a traditional way, obviously, to wear it. Here is a trick, and I think this might blow your mind. It's one of my favorites. So instead of putting it on the traditional way, you're gonna flip it over and put what would normally go on the bottom at the top. So you've got all this extra fabric here, and you're going to pull it to the front, and it almost becomes like this super cute shawl. And honestly, from the back, I think it's adorable. Really cute. And from the front, it's super cute too. And just something kind of different, kind of fun if you want to switch it up and you've got a few cardigans. This looks like I've got a second sweater. So you get 2 for 1 with this. I will link my favorite cardigans and shirts below that I do these styles with. So yeah, I'll link below a few cardigans, including this one, and then a few like oversized tees that I do the knot with, and a few stretchy tees that you can do that second knot with. Okay, but that's this one. Love it. Last hack. I saved the best for last. So this is a tip that my friend Summer gave me. She actually also runs a YouTube channel. She's awesome. Shares the best beauty tips. Go follow her, go subscribe. Here's the thing. I love a cute crop top, but I am not 20 anymore. And so I'm not all about sharing my belly. So Summer wrote me when I posted about this and was like, turn it around. And it honestly blew my mind. So watch this. I'm gonna flip this baby around so that at the front, it just looks like a totally cute sweater. And then from behind, it is adorable. And I feel like it definitely shows off that booty, that booty. Anyways, I am loving this. Still, you know, I prefer to wear like an undershirt under it, but so cute. And honestly, from the front, I would never know that this shirt is flipped around. So I will also share below a few crop tops that would be really cute to do this with. So anyways, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me today for these clothing hacks. Down below, let me know which one was your favorite. I'm super curious to find out what everybody liked. Be sure to subscribe and follow us over on Instagram at Beauty Budget Moms. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.